I love this bathroom.
It's gorgeous.
With the glass door, the big tile that is here, this really, really looks good.
And my favorite part is this line drain. I love that we're sloped right from here all the way to our line drain. Set that one in. Should be good, buddy. This layout works out perfectly. I mean, the big tiles, they slope from the actual pan all the way to the drain. I really like that we're able to use the bigger tile for this. Just consistent all throughout the bathroom. I personally like the look of the line drain better than the normal drain. Yeah. I love it. You can really feel that slope there, like just drains right down. That's perfect. So we'll have the glass right here. The stainless steel is gonna look really nice with these big tiles. Nice and gray, transition to the stainless steel, tie into the concrete looking tile on the wall. This whole bathroom's really coming together. Good work, boys.
So because this is a curbless design, there's no curb. I mean, I'm still tripping on the curbs. I don't even know why we put them in. It's to collect the water in there, but when you have the line drain, you really don't need it. It makes this a universal bathroom.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the design you're going for, but for this design, I think the line drain and the curbless is perfect.
Not to mention, it's easy to keep clean and it's life lasting. Every single bathroom must start with the design, and it's about the tiles. And once you figure out what tiles you're using, that will dictate the drain.
Well, absolutely. We wanted a really big tile down here. This is a 2 foot by 2 foot tile, and you could never do this kind of tile on a point drain system because you can't slope this. You'd have to have cuts everywhere.
I like that you've got the big tile and carried it right through into the shower tray because you really can't tell. There's a drop down. I'm only from sitting here can I see that angle running towards the line drain. But this really not only makes it look good, but it makes it universal. You're not gonna trip over the curb.
So I mean, the tile really dictates what type of drain you have. So down here, we're able to go with a line drain and a bigger tile because of it. The line drain has really allowed us to have a universal design in here. We have it nice and open, we have it curbless, so you can just roll right in here if you need to. Upstairs, we chose the point drain because that's the look we wanted in there, but I really like the thought of having a universal bathroom in the house.
That's exactly what this is. It's a good word because this is like you can be an old man or a young kid.
So what I love about this is actually with the tile, we planned this out perfectly because we always think ahead, so that we've given ourselves a nice space here so we could slope it, and then our slope comes exactly from the edge of this tile all the way down. And as you can see, our glass is here, so all the water sheds from here into our line drain.
The Schluter system that's in here, it's 100% watertight.
Oh yeah, we put tile baseboards on the sides. We've waterproofed this entire bathroom with Schluter products, so we're completely good in here. I'm not worried about that, and our drainage is perfect. What I love about the KERDI line drain is you can get different options of grates. Right here we've got the stainless steel square drain, or you can get a drain cap that you can tile right over so you don't even know that there's a drain there. You just don't grout the lines in.
That's what I love about Schluter. They've given you many choices for how you want to design your bathroom.
I love the outcome. I mean, from vision to actually putting it down and installing it, it just looks phenomenal.
Design is everything. You pick your tiles, which dictates your drains, which dictates the look of the bathroom.
The beauty about the KERDI line drain is that it all comes in one kit, so I didn't have to do the math, I didn't have to do anything other than install the prefabricated tray that Schluter provided.
So it automatically slopes to the line drain.
Yeah, and I just follow that with my tile.
That's why Schluter is so brilliant. They make it easy for us.